Hi guys, welcome to Techy. So today we shall be reviewing the Pace Power Box. Pace is a Kenyan company that produces earphones, headphones, amongst other products, which I might probably link down there. So to start with, the Pace Power Box. So it looks really nice on the box, and I think you can try and see what else it has. Okay, here it says it has a speaker and a power bank. So on the back it says it has a lithium battery that's around 18650, a capacity of around 4000 milliamperes, output of 6 watts with 2 stereos, I guess so. Then Bluetooth 4.2, which is good. Then audio input can be wireless. I think that's again through Bluetooth, and a 3.5 millimeter aux in. Working distance of up to around 20 meters, working time of around 16 hours if you're playing at 60% volume. Then this is the size, blah 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 blah, so many other things. So J Blessing is for those who don't know, J Blessing is a Kenyan video producer. So I believe he's partnered with some other guys to bring us these products. So let's get started. I like the tribal feel. I think it's consistent with the industry tempest. Then let's go. So that is how it looks like on the inside. So we're going to put this aside, have a look at it later, then see what else comes with the product. So our auxiliary cable and our charging cable, which is not a type C, sadly. Then some few instructions here. So again, insists on being speaker and a power bank and blah blah blah, so much information which we'll go through later. So there you go. So it has your auxiliary port there, your charging port there, and your USB port there, and it's written keep your own pace. Again, J Blessing signature. I like the feel, I like the material and this tribal kind of look. Then also the contrast, some form of gray and brown. I really like how that looks like, and it's, you know, again some other color tribal feel here, written pace of course, and some buttons. Well, power button, I think one to control your phone with, forward, pause, volume up, volume down, and this is more of like rubber, so I like the feel of it. So there you go. So let's put it on and see.
Welcome to the world of pace.
Okay. First things first. Let's see whether it connects to Bluetooth. Okay. It's already visible as Pace Power Box.
Connected.
Okay. Now let's play some little bit of music. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Nice. Okay. bass power box are for 4,500 Kenya shillings or $45 outside there. That is, there's so much value for money. It has a premium look, a premium feel, premium sound as well. One thing I don't like about it is this. It comes with the old USB cable. So for those guys who are using new phones with Type C, that is a disadvantage. Then number two, I wish it also had, or it could accommodate playing using a flash disk. Then number three, it doesn't have an application that you can use to control the product externally. So the bass power box cannot be controlled using an external app. For example, if you want to adjust your bass or the treble, so that is a downside. But I mean, for 4,500, this is the ultimate beast. And keep the pace. See you guys.